ancient lands, a story unfolds. Seth the chosen one, Siva's noble hold. Khalifa, God's representative true, establishing Pandiyan Sangam for me and you. Kumari Kulam, the land of old, Siva's wisdom. Aaseevagam the hold, first Siva, owner of knowledge divine, department of works among Adam's children assigned. Adi Kumari Kulam, children of Adam's line, divided into tribes of divine design. Ayyanaar guides through trials and strife, Allah's promise to restore Pandiyan life. Qur'an's testimony, chapter 7, verse 172. Allah's covenant with Adi Kumari Kulam's crew, preferred above all, chapter 17, verse 70. A noble lineage forever to shine. Adi Kumari Kulam, children of Adam's line, divided into tribes of divine design. Ayyanaar guides through trials and strife, Allah's promise to restore Pandiyan life. Qur'an's testimony, chapter 7, verse 172. Allah's covenant with Adi Kumari Kulam's crew, preferred above all, chapter 17, verse 70. A noble lineage forever to shine. Adi Kumari Kulam, children of Adam's line, divided into tribes of divine design. Ayyanaar guides through trials and strife, Allah's promise to restore Pandiyan life. Qur'an's testimony, chapter 7, verse 72. Allah's covenant with Adi Kumari Kulam's crew, preferred above all, chapter 70, verse 70. Allah's promise to restore Pandiyan life. Chapter 11, verse 48. A warning true, painful torment for those who stray anew. But chapter 24, verse 55. A promise made, Pandiyan Sangam's rebirth, a new day. Through ages past, Adi Kumari Kulam's might endured trials in darkness and light. Ayyanaar's guidance through ancestral lines, Siva's wisdom forever intertwined. Children of Adam's line, divided into tribes of divine design. Ayyanaar guides through trials and strife, Allah's promise to restore Pandiyan life. Seth's legacy lives, Adi Kumari Kulam's call, restoring Pandiyan Sangam, standing tall.